Welcome to PerMix, where engineering meets innovation. Today, we're excited to introduce a machine that's designed to change the way you mix. Discover the PerMix PAM series vertical paddle mixers, the next generation of industrial mixing technology. Designed for maximum cleanliness and efficiency, the PAM series offers a revolutionary approach for manufacturers who demand both high performance and high sanitation. Why is the PerMix PAM a game changer? It features an integrated CIP, cleaning in place system, dramatically reducing cleaning time, and with the main shaft seal above product level. It's built for fast, hygienic changeovers and nearly totally eliminating cross-contamination risk. We have also developed our main mixer or chopper Easy Clean design for highly sensitive products. The vertical paddle design ensures complete and thorough mixing with minimal residue, maximizing yield and minimizing waste. And with the smallest minimum batch size, the PAM offers true versatility across a wide range of production needs. It also saves space. With a significantly smaller footprint than traditional horizontal mixers, the PAM makes the most of your production floor. And for even more flexibility, it can be adapted for vacuum drying or even steam sterilization applications, making it a truly multifunctional solution. This specific model, the PAM 1000, was built for a manufacturer of herbs, spices, and other food ingredient blends. It enables rapid product changeovers without the need for intensive cleaning between batches, ensuring fast and flexible production of herbal tea and seasoning mixes. It also features the PerMix Easy Clean Chopper, designed for quick disassembly and easy access to internal components, allowing thorough and effortless cleaning. When hygiene, efficiency, and versatility matter, choose the mixer designed to deliver on all fronts. PerMix M1000 Clean, compact, consistent, built for modern mixing.